Today you have to start with practice set 1.1 first question. This rational numbers you have to show on the number line. First sub question is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2 you have to show on the number line. If this you have to show on the number line, you have to see that these are the improper fraction or not. If these are the proper fraction, no problem at all. If these are improper fraction, at that time you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. So this 3 upon 2 is the improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. Here also numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, that time you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Then 3 upon 2 you have to convert it into this is the improper fraction, you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. At that time 3 divided by 2 you have to do. 3 upon 2 means 3 divided by 2. After giving the division, 2 ones are 2, this remainder will come 1. This is the remainder, this is the portion, this one is divisor, and you have to write like this, 1 whole 1 upon 2. This you will write, this one you have to write here, 1 whole 1 upon 2 you have to write here. In the same manner, you have to, this 5 upon 2 is the improper fraction, you have to divide 5 by 2. After dividing this 5 by 2, at that time this will come 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and this will come 2 whole 1 upon 2. This 2 whole 1 upon 2 will come, and this 3 upon 2 and this 3 upon 2 is one and same. This plus 3 upon 2, that's why 1 whole 1 upon 2 will come, and this minus 3 upon 2 means minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 will come. Then you have to see the denominator. Denominator is 2, means in between 0 to 1 you have to divide it into the 2 equal part. Then I will say that here 1 will come, here 2 will come, here 3 will come, and here 4, like that. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. You have to show these numbers on the number line. Here 1 whole 1 upon 2 means after 1 first point, after 1 you have to go to the first point. After 1 you have to go to the first point, and this you will show that 1 whole 1 upon 2. Then you have to show 2 whole 1 upon 2. 2 whole 1 upon 2 means where 2 whole 1 upon 2 you will show this. After 2 you have to go to the first point, and this point will come 2 whole 1 upon 2. Then you have to find out the minus 1 whole 1 upon 2. This will come to the left of the 0. So this you have to go to first of all minus 1. After minus 1 first point you have to go, and this will come minus 1 whole 1 upon 2. In this way you have to show the rational numbers on the number line. But one of the second method is very easy. What you have to do, you have to see that denominator is 2, so you have to write the number line after 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 will come. Then once you will write the number line, you have to see that denominator is 2. Divide each and every term by 2. Here divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. Each and every number you have to divide it by 2. Then you have to search your rational number on the number line. 3 upon 2. Where is 3 upon 2? Here is the 3 upon 2. This is the position of 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Where is 5 upon 2 will come? Here is the position of 5 upon 2. Then where is minus 3 upon 2? This is the position of minus 3 upon 2. Then you will see that, you will think that where is the 1 and minus 1? Here 2 upon 2 means 1. Everybody understand? This is the position of 1. Here 2 2s are 4 will come. This is the position of 2, and this is the position of 3. In this way you will show the numbers on the number line. This second method is very easy. If you write in the exam this method, you will solve this example by this method, no problem at all. This is the very easiest method. You have to first draw the number line, After that, you have to see the denominator and you have to divide it by the denominator and you have to write the points. Both the ways you have to write the example in the notebook. Thank you.